Swami Vivekananda was born in Kolkata, India, in 1863. As a child, he was very curious and loved asking deep questions. He was known for his sharp mind and love for learning. What set him apart was his immense courage and belief that everyone had the power to change the world. One day, while still a young man, he met Sri Ramakrishna Paramahansa, a spiritual leader who inspired him deeply. Under Sri Ramakrishna's guidance, Vivekananda realized that true strength lies in spirituality and self-belief. He believed that every person has the potential to achieve greatness if they have faith in themselves and the universe. Swami Vivekananda's most famous moment came when he represented India at the Parliament of the World's Religions in Chicago in 1893. There he gave a powerful speech about the importance of religious tolerance, unity, and the strength of the Indian people. His words moved the world and made India proud. He traveled across India and the world, spreading the message of self-realization, inner strength, and the importance of serving others. He told everyone, especially the youth, to rise above fear and doubt. His teachings continue to inspire millions to live a life full of courage, compassion, and wisdom.